To buy some technology.
I'll help you find what you need. Maybe a tablet will be better.
Thanks, sweetie. Oopsie.
A new smartphone just for you. Buy this TV instead. Here's the remote of that. You need an electric car.
That's gracious. That's splendid. Let me try. Oh, lovely. Oh, delightful. Let me try. Maybe I should stick to knitting.
What did I do wrong? I only wanted to help.